Adam Waxler here. I'm at my latest listing at 5060 Robinsong Rd, Sarasota, Florida. A couple of things that stand out about this property right away are the lot and the location. This home is situated at the end of a cul-de-sac, so you have no drive-through traffic. Perfect if you've got kids who want to play in the court. And it's in the gated community of Amberley, a highly desirable community in Sarasota, Florida. And it's close to everything. Only 5 miles to Siesta Key, 7 miles to downtown Sarasota, and about 10 miles to St. Armand Circle. And best of all, it's zoned for the best schools in Sarasota County: Ashton Elementary, Sarasota Middle, and Riverview High. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. Inside, this home needs some updating. But we did price it to allow the buyer to do the updates that they want, because this home, completely updated, would be easily well into the 800s. Also, it's an Arthur Rutenberg home. He was one of the better builders back in the day, and it's built in 1998, which, let's face it, homes were just built better back then. When we come in right to the left, we have technically the fourth bedroom. There is a closet over here, but it's been being used as an office. They have these beautiful built-in shelves, so it makes a perfect office. Off to the left here, we have the master bedroom with a slider that goes out to the lanai, which they don't really do that much anymore. And then you have your master bath, one sink over here, another sink over there, tub, shower. Come back out, you have a separate dining area, and you can see the tray ceilings. And there's the pool. I'll bring you out to the pool at the end. Let's come through here. We'll take a look at the kitchen. Large kitchen, stainless steel appliances, open floor plan, more tray ceilings. We do have a separate laundry room back here. Another slider that goes out to the pool, and then you've got the triple pocket sliders over here. And before we go out there, let me show you the other two bedrooms. We've got one bedroom over here. Another bathroom. And one more bedroom over here with another bathroom. So it is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. It's over 2,700 square feet. Love these pocket sliders. Here you have your pool with your waterfall. So if you are looking for a large home zoned for the best schools in Sarasota County, give me a call. Number is 941-465-9206, or just click the link in the description below for more information.